Do you know of like any common mistakes that people would make starting off with Rover?
Um, I think for me, I guess mistakes would be like not really listening to like your client and what they want because all of them are so like particular about how you handle their dog and like treats and like what they can do, and like certain clients want their dog to sit before they go outside, like just things like that you got to kind of continue to do for their pet or whatever, and just kind of be thoughtful and just, I'm trying to think of like a scenario that I could give an example of. I mean, honestly, probably just the biggest mistake would be making your rates too high, because it's
Yeah.
honestly it took a while for me to get my first client, but I'm also not in a huge city, so honestly that probably is like a major mistake. But with the clients themselves, I would say just listening and being really responsive is like the two biggest things, because I think it shows them your response time on there. So it's really important to be responsive, because obviously you don't want someone watching your dog that's not going to reply to you for like 4 hours.
Yeah.
So yeah, probably that.
So I guess you can't be one of those like bad texters if you're gonna walk
Yeah,
someone's
because it
dog.
says it on there how quickly you respond to people, especially if they're like asking you, like if it's a new client and you don't respond for a long time, that's probably even worse.
Yeah, true.